Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. This is a beautiful Pakistan and land of Punjab. This road is going to Gaggo to Arwala, and from here we can go also Chishtiya through the river Satluj. And this is very beautiful and pretty area of agricultural tourism and natural tourism. These are the sunflower uh, uh, trees and maize crops, and there is trees of a lot of mangoes and pomegranate and all kinds of, just like we can say also in Urdu, kikar, people, shahtut, and there is a very robust irrigation system. Here are canals, a network of canals for the crops and to fulfill the requirement of irrigation. And there is also tube wells, turbines from the earth extract the water for the crops, and there is no worry about the water for crops. And these yellow sunflowers and yellow maize crops and the other wheat crops recently we have finished, and there are total electricity system in the jungle areas, in the forest areas, total agriculture areas. Before 30 years we cannot expect the electricity in the even village for the people, for town, for home, but now the electricity is through from the forest and jungle area and crops area, and people are utilizing electricity for irrigation. Before, Kisan only aware of wheat crops and cotton crops, but from recently, a few years ago, the people are also cultivating maize. This is very productive and profitable crop. 100 I mean uh, 1000 kilogram per acre, and there is a lot of advantage, not cash income, even silage for silage systems and for Vanda systems, and we can say there are also vegetables, a lot of vegetables, onion, also with cotton, and you can say this is the now agricultural business, not only cultivating, uh, even more than profitable from farming and the old kind of cultivating methods. Now we can say this is the very useful method of cultivating and crops, cultivating to earn the money rather than a factory, rather than a shops, rather than a trading. So as well as we can enjoy the yellow, yeah, red, pink and green, every kind of flowers and trees and fresh air and the atmosphere. Vast atmosphere. The shine, and the in the night the moonlight. So we can enjoy full life, the full colors of the nature, and twinkle twinkle little star, in the night time. So this is a very useful and very interesting and beautiful and very pleasant life for the kisans and farmers and the people of area, those are living here. And we can also explore the beauty of Pakistan, the beauty of land of Punjab, the beauty of central Punjab, the beauty of southern Punjab, the beauty of canals, rivers, and turbines and tube wells and natural system, and raining system also, moderate system here. We can see here rainings in the winter, in the summer, in the spring season. So in the rainy season, I'm too much happy to describe the beauty of this area. This is a village of Sahuka and the Tehsil Burewala district, Rihadi. Now this is a new modern system of irrigation method. Before we saw mud khals, to be Urdu. Now they are cemented and tiles and very good shape. water crossing system for the crops, and there is also savings of water and total organized system. We can say that this is a compound, tubal compound, and this is the main head root of water. We can say into Urdu, khada, and this is a tubal, and this is a dull, and this is the main electric system. You can see here transformer of the electricity. Before 30 years, we cannot think about the electricity in the jungle, in the forest, in the tubal, in the land of farmer. So this is a tree. Into the Urdu, this is called peaker. And this is a very, very populated trees in the throughout the canal, throughout the links, throughout the lands of people and farmers. And there is also shisham trees and serene trees, shahtut trees, and we can say very, very healthy vegetarian life, profitable life, more than stronger business life, and there is peace of mind and also content of mind. And we can say that here are combination of natural life and artificial life and natural tourism and agri-tourism. This is also the method of irrigation to boring the cutting the land into the ground, and there is a fitted pankha and tubel's knolls, and we can extract the water from this dull and for the irrigation to the water to the crops. Before we only aware of cotton crop and wheat crop, seasonal crops. Now this is the gold for the farmer, and this crop, maize crops, give the farmer just like gold profit. And this crop change the destiny of the farmers in this area. And we now we are coming from Gago and going to our village Sahuka, and this is the road. This is the road. Before this is very, very bad road. Now this is a totally good condition road, and government made it for the facility of people, and people are enjoying from this facility, and transportation enhanced situation help the farmers for transportation in the crops and their private life luggages. So we can say this is very, very beautiful area. I try to explore the beauty of this area and try to explore the natural beauty and the artificial beauty and the agricultural beauty. I hope so you will like my video. Inshallah, I will try next time to produce more beautiful videos for this area, and I will increase your information for the nature and for the tourism. Inshallah, see you soon.